At some point, every editor needs to do this. Why not use a shortcut to save you some time? Command-I. Think of it like a short key to skip the hallway and get straight to the room you want to be in. Let me show you how it works. While editing in Final Cut, simply press Command-I. Just like that, the media import window pops up. No hunting for media under File, Import, or the Import button. Next, use the time saved to find the media you need, whether it's video, audio, or images from a computer, camera, or other storage device. Select everything you want and press Return to import it. Quick and easy. Just like that, your clips are in your Final Cut Pro library, ready for action. See? That was faster than endlessly clicking through menus. Want to discover more time-saving tips like this? Head over to anawesomeguide.com for additional tutorials that'll help you edit smarter, not harder. Catch you in the next edit.